The time is 9:54 a.m. So this was our study yesterday, and it closed below this zone. Let me let me zoom in, and today's first candle is this. Okay, so this is our one trend line. We are not yet bullish, and we are waiting for any. If we have to become bullish, price has to do what? It has to come here, then give a breakout. Now there is one observation that there was a gap up today, this candle. Let me mark it. So this is a today's candle. There was a slight gap up openings from yesterday's closing. So I was just waiting and I was just looking at this. What is it doing? Now we marked this as selling zone. And look at this candle, yesterday's candle. This was what, a buying zone, and then the candle closed below this. Now I'm little bit, what do you say, I'm just watching out if it takes support from this area. Okay, if it takes support from this area, I'm expecting a kind of sorry, bullishness. If it goes and closes below this, then this will be our next zone. It will, or it may go and touch and reach to this zone. So as of now, let me put this as what, green. Okay, until any candle comes and closes below this zone, we will be green. All right, so I'll update you. Let's see. And as per we discussed, this buying zone, see, it has come and closed below this buying zone, and this area, as I said, it's major areas. Okay, because nifty has traveled for a long period of time in this zone. So as I said earlier, the more it consolidates in that area becomes very very major area. Now what happened, and you can see volumes in investing.com. Yeah, here look at this is a bottom. Look at the hammer at the bottom is more significant, but there is no volume, but it's okay. But we have drew one trend line here, so we can see some volume here, which is this one. Okay, so there was a breakout. Now what is our next study which it can say? So this can also be a lower high, we don't know. Let me delete that for now, we don't want that. This is a lower low. Now what we can see is, if it comes here again, that is okay. We are still, what do you say, it can just stay here, and this is our buying box, and it may also go up, but this area will act as resistance. Okay, and the next area, if it comes down, breaches here, it may stay here and it may come until here. So let's watch. This is just a study. As I said, no, this is not about taking trade and all that. We require some weapon, all those stuffs which I may not talk in this video. This is just a study how we can build our wave. Now as we talked again, look at this base. It's very important, and I was just I was very, what do you say, watchful at this area, because this area was opening and high. No, not opening, open was here. This was a high of nifty today's. Okay, and I was just looking at this, whether it will close above the open, because that is very important. Okay, so then what happened, it closed above, but it had this pullback, retracement. Then from this buying zone, it again went up. Now we have to be more careful at this area. What kind of candle, or what does it do at this area? So first time it may take resistance and it may come here. Then again, if it is breaking, it will go and it may break from here. If it breaks this area, come on, bulls will be, they'll be a little bit more stronger from now. And if this area gets breakdown, as I said, this is the area where it may come. And this will be lower high again if it is coming down, or if it is reversing from this area. All right, so let's watch what it does. All right, then see you guys. Time is 7:20 p.m. now. Just had a nap and I just woke up. All right then. So what happened over here? We were discussing about this zone. So very important since yesterday we are looking at this zone. Also yesterday's first 15 minutes candle which took a very good support and buying has come. There was a very good buying. All right, that's why we know that this is an important zone. So what happened today? We discussed as of now here until here. There was one more buying happened after this dead candle. And what did I say? This will act as a resistance. So market has closed over here. Now it may take resistance. So tomorrow if there is a gap up opening, this can act as support and then this can be the next resistance and it can go higher and higher. Now this trend line has broken out and this is the area which it has consolidated. So we know that this is a very important zone and we will see it in daily time frame. So in daily time frame, what did I say? Over here Nifty has to close. If it has to be positive, Nifty has to close above what? Above yesterday's close. Okay, so it has come down, then again at the end of the market it has went up and it closed. Now bulls are more stronger than bears. Now we have to be watchful at this important areas. This lows are very important. Candles shouldn't come and close below this. Now you cannot say that it shouldn't, or we cannot do that, right? So if it closes, then bears will take control, and this can be one more support. There are some other various multiple supports. Anyway, let me not talk about it. So as of now, bulls are in control. Closing is very good, and yes, so this is the one trend line where you can draw. Look at this. Look at the beauty. It's beautiful. Look at this one, this one, this one. So it is just making higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high in daily time frame. But in lower time frame you can see some little bit of lower highs and all that. You have to be watchful tomorrow from this area. If it goes up, we will do what? We will change this color into green, and if it comes down it may take support here, or if it breaks again it may also come until here. So these are the zones. All right then, so I hope this video is very helpful for you. And as I said, we didn't talk anything about trade over here, but yes, when you take a trade, view building is very, very, very important. It will be very helpful. So once you draw all your levels, important level, then you can apply your strategies, test setups, and whatever you require while taking a trade. So I hope you had a good lesson here, and take trade based on your risk to reward. Be safe, stay safe always. Let's protect our capital, and let's take small risk, and when we take profit, we have to take big profit. All right then, so stay tuned, subscribe this channel. I'll update you my upcoming views about Nifty and all other stocks. All right then, see you, bye bye.